Bago ang lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos sa pagtugon niya sa panalangin ko at isa sa mga pangarap ko. Oo, ikaw, mahal ko, ang dalangin ko na tinugon niya. At ito naman yung pangako o pangarap na tinupad niya. Yung makasama ka at makasal sa iyo at magkasama maglilingkod sa Panginoon.
Nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan ang pag-ibig mo sa aking tugon. Kailanman hindi pababayaan.
At first, of course, hindi ko alam kung ano ang plano ng Lord sa atin. But one thing is for sure, crush mo na ako nung una pa lang.
Sa'yo lamang.
Sa tuwing nakikita kita, lagi akong napapaalalahanan kung gaano kabuti ang Diyos sa buhay ko. Isa kang patunay o simbolo ng kabutihan ng Diyos sa akin. Samantha Del Rosario, and soon to be Kuanang. Pangakong habang buhay mamahalin ka at aalagaan. Ipagluluto, mamasahihin pag masakit ang katawan. Pangakong susuportahan ka sa lahat ng pangarap mo at magiging pader na pwede mong sandalan sa panahon na nanghihina ka. Unan na pwede mong iyakan sa panahon na nalulungkot ka, basta wag mo lang lawayan. Alam kong gagabayan tayo ng Diyos sa panibagong landas na tatahakin natin na magkasama bilang mag-asawa. Sabay tayong tatanda na naglilingkod ng habang buhay sa Panginoong Jesus na ating Diyos at tagapagligtas.
You are no longer a Ko. You are now Dayo. You can no longer afford to think primarily of self. You cannot think primarily of what are my needs, what about me, what about my wants. Now the question is, what are his needs? What are her needs? What are our needs? I'm not thinking about physical needs, chairs and bedding and things like that. I'm talking about the things you cannot touch, but still they affect the home. Things like, does he need encouragement? Does she need comfort? Do we as a couple need to get away from the routine for a while? This does not mean your own needs don't matter, they do. But in an age where self has become God, where self has become more important than anything else, we need Christian homes in which each one thinks more highly of the other, thinks first about the other's needs instead of self.
Mahal kita higit pa sa salitang mahal kita. Pero mas mahal ka ng Diyos ngayon. At lagi mong tandaan. Pangako, tutulungan kang mapalapit sa ating Panginoon at sabay natatanda na naglilingkod sa Kanya.
And Jesus answered me, I am here, in the same boat with you, fixing and found restoring the day. and I've realized that you are worth fighting for. Thank you for giving me an opportunity na mapasaya ka, matulungan ka at mahalin ka. May God use me to strengthen you and be your suitable helper in all aspects. I will always love you, encourage you, and will pray for you. Sabi nga ng tagline ng employer ko, I will find ways. In sickness and in health, in riches and in poor, to be with you eternity until death do us part. Thank you for being my answered prayer. I love you forever, my Genesis 2.
Maaari mo nang halikan ang iyong asawa.